Open your sketch on Procreate. Choose Color Black for the ink and choose a brush. I'll be using Syrup Brush for this one. Create a new layer on top of the sketch layer by tapping on the plus icon. You can change brush size by tapping the top scroll bar on the left-hand side. Start tracing your sketch using brush. Make sure you don't leave a broken line, it will be useful later. Once done, tap on the line art layer and select Reference. Create a new layer and place it under the line Art Reference layer. Choose a new color and drag and drop it to the artboard where you want your color to be. Repeat this step to the other parts. Once done, we will add shadows. Click the layer you want to add shadows. Create a new layer and place it on top of it. Tap that layer and select Clipping Mask. Change the color to a darker tone and paint the area where you want your shadows will be. Add new layer and repeat steps. You can also adjust opacity by tapping on N on the right side. We'll decrease it this time. Continue painting on the remaining parts using the same steps as before. To remove reference from the line art layer, tap on the line art layer and uncheck reference. Continue coloring the artwork till you're satisfied. And we're done. Now, let's try it.